Did you ever wonder why your stomach makes those kind of growling noises when you're hungry? This rumbling sound, often heard as you long for your next meal, is called borborygmi. Yes, it's quite the mouthful. Essentially, when you haven't eaten for a while, your digestive muscles start to anticipate food by moving, preparing for incoming nourishment. These muscles, called peristalsis, start contracting in waves to signal the digestive process into action, even when the action hasn't started yet. This is the sound of empty intestines, filled with just air and a little digestive juice, being jostled around. The sound is louder because there isn't any food to muffle it. Moreover, when you're hungry, the brain signals the digestive tract with hormones like ghrelin, which prompt muscle action. So, it's pretty much your body's thoughtful reminder that it's time to eat.